Today we'll compare mean, median and mode. I hope you have written down the notes in the notebook. So I'll be just focusing on this particular area. I hope you people are able to understand all the areas that has been written down. If you've got any doubts, you can just contact me and I'll be there to clarify your doubts. So today we'll be actually taking out a very small portions, because tomorrow when you're coming for the class, or rather you're trying to attend my class, if possible you have to arrange out an logarithm table. If you're having this particular book, logarithm, anti-logarithm, that is, I think it is a 5 rupees, or no, I think 9 rupees book. If you have it, you can just, otherwise sometimes you'll be having a very big book that you must have used in your +2, +1 and +2. If you're having it, please arrange that and keep. Otherwise, if you're not having, I'll be showing out things in the video, you'll be able to understand. I know it is quite difficult now because of the rainy seasons. So if you're able to arrange, just try arranging it so that you can do it out yourself. Now what you're doing, we'll see is, we'll compare mean, median and mode. So mean means it is a mathematical average. So the main difference between mean, median and mode is, mean is a mathematical average, whereas median and mode are positional averages. That is something that you have to always remember. You know, the mean is obtained on all observation, while median is a middle item and mode is a most commonly found item. That is a main difference. You know, in mean, what you have to do is, by looking at the observation, you will be able to get out mean. While median, the middle item have to be taken, and in case of mode, it is the most repeated item. Next is, mean is capable of further mathematical treatments, while median and mode are not capable of further mathematical treatment. You cannot carry out further mathematical treatment by using median and mode, but mean can be used for carrying out other mathematical treatments. Median and mode are values found in the series, while mean is not necessarily such a value. So you know, when you're finding out the median and mode, you're finding it out from the series that is given to you. But in case of mean, it is not the case. Next is median and mode can be graphically located. You can find out median and mode in graphical position, but in case of mean, cannot be done so. Next, it is said that median and mean can be obtained by mere inspection. Just by looking into the data, you can find out mean as well as median and mean. Inspection, median and mode. I think there is a mistake in the textbook. Median and mode can be obtained by mere inspection, while mean can be obtained by calculations only. In order to get the mean, what you have to do is, you have to do out the calculation sigma x by n. But in case of median and mode, by the inspection itself, sometimes you'll be able to find out the mean, which means a median is a middle item, mode one a most repeated item. So just by looking at the series, you'll be getting out the answers. Next is, mean is affected by extreme items, while median and mode are not affected by the extreme items. Mode is ill-defined in some cases. I hope you know what is mode is ill-defined. Ill-defined means it is not coming repeated number of times. Only one number of time a particular number is happening. Then in such cases, mode is ill-defined. But in case of median and mean are always well-defined. So this is the comparison between mean, median and mode. I want you people to study this also properly. I want you people to study the theory properly, because this portion I've seen in the exam part also. Okay. Now we'll see what is the relationship among mean, median and mode. I'll just read it out from the textbook. You can write it out into your notebook. That is, in case of symmetric distribution, mean is equal to median and median is equal to mode. In case of moderately asymmetric distribution, mean, median, mode will have different values, but the following relationship may hold good. So what you have to do is, in case of asymmetric distribution, what you have to do is, you have to use this particular formula, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. I hope you understood that out. We'll do out a problem in that respect. In a certain frequency distribution, mean is equal to 30 kg, median is equal to 27 kg, find mode. This is a question. So it is said that in a certain frequency distribution, mean is equal to 30 kg, median is equal to 27 kg, and you have been asked to find out mode. So in order to find out mode, I told you you have to use the new formula, which is 3 median minus 2 mean. So what is 3 into median is 27 minus 2 into mean is 30, right? So you'll be getting an answer of 81 minus 60, which is equal to 21. Okay. Next one is next question. In a moderately asymmetrical distribution, the mode and mean are 32.1 and 35.4 respectively. Calculate median. So you know mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So here what all is given to you? Mode is given and mean is given. So you know it is 32.1 is equal to, median is not given, right? Minus mean mean is 35.4. So when you do, you'll be getting 30.1 is equal to 3 median minus 70.8. So what will happen is that this figure will come this side. When it is coming this side, minus plus will happen. So 32.1 plus 70.8 is equal to 3 median. So further adding on, you will be getting the total as 102 point. What will happen is median is equal to divided by 3 is equal to median. So you'll be getting an answer of 34.3. Okay. Next question is, for a frequency distribution, median is equal to 132.8, mode is equal to 141.3, find mean. Okay. Median is equal to 132.8, mode is equal to 141.3, find mean. So mode is equal to, again write on the formula, 3 median minus 2 mean minus 2 mean. So that is equal to 141.3 is equal to 3 into 132.8 minus 2 mean. Here median is given but mean is not given. So you'll be getting 2 mean is equal to 398.4. When it is coming over this side, minus 141.3. So you'll be getting mean is equal to, when you're deducting this, 1257.1 divided by 2, which is 128.55. I hope you understood it. Thank you.